Hello, I'm going to be talking about the Texas disaster of 1947, which is also known as the deadliest industrial accident in American history. The disaster took place on April 16, 1947, and started with a mid-morning fire on the SS Grand Camp French cargo that was loaded with fuel oil and 2,300 tons of ammonium nitrate. Cigarette had possibly caused the fire. Fire continued to grow and the captain tried to extinguish the fire by forcing steam into the cargo. Fire department arrived, but the fire was already huge. Steam heated the cargo, which caused ammonium nitrate to be liquefied into a volatile substance. At 9:12, the ammonium nitrate detonated, causing a massive explosion that caused a 15-foot tidal wave that flooded nearby areas. It also launched 3,000 feet in the air, destroying 2 planes. Everyone at the location died instantly. Buildings flattened and Monsanto plant nearby was destroyed. Fire continued to the next day. Then at 1:10 a.m., after 16 hours from the first explosion, a second explosion of ammonium nitrate on high flyer ship exploded. The disaster killed at least 581 people, had greatly affected nearby areas, caused many secondary fires and smaller explosions, and is considered one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in history. The disaster triggered the first action lawsuit against the United States government on behalf of 8,485 victims. The expenditures for the industrial reconstruction were estimated to be $100 million. Nitrous oxide formed in the explosion contributes to the atmospheric greenhouse phenomenon and participates in the acid rain formation process. When inhaled, it can make people feel euphoric and relaxed. Some people experience hallucinations. There is also a risk of death as a lack of oxygen can occur. Ammonium nitrate is a combination of nitric acid and ammonia, which is a neutralization reaction. The explosion's reaction was when the ammonium nitrate decomposes into nitrous oxide gas and water vapor when heated, which is a decomposition reaction. Ammonium nitrate is used as a fertilizer and in explosives. It's solid and exists as white crystalline. It's water-soluble, decomposes at over 200 degrees, melts at 169, it has low reactivity, and is hygroscopic, meaning readily absorbs water. Nitrous oxide is also called laughing gas because it makes people happy when inhaled. The expenditures are equal to $1.1 billion in today's terms. Thank you for listening.